Hi! In front of me is Realme 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then choose Privacy section. Now tap on App Lock and choose this sweater next to App Lock feature. If you don't have privacy password, you need to tap on Settings and tap on Use a different password type. Then select one of those options, in my case pattern, and create login method for your apps. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And answer this security question. If you don't like it, you can always click on it, tap on one of those, or create your own by choosing custom question and typing in wherever you wish to. Tap on confirm to save your question and remember to answer it correctly below. Then set up recovery email in case of forgetting your login method. When you're ready, hit save. Then select this check mark at the top right corner and tap on all of those sweaters next to all of those apps that you wish to lock, in my case booking.com. So now when I click on Home button and try to access Booking, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable App Lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings, click on App Lock, then enter your login method and click on the same No Blue sweater. If you want to disable App Lock completely, click on this sweater next to App Lock feature, and in order to delete your privacy password, go back twice. Choose Password and Security, click on Privacy Password, enter it, and click on Turn Off. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!